Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see Netflix viewing history. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I'm right here on my Netflix account, currently on desktop, but you can do the same whether you're on mobile, tablet, or even your TV. Now to get started, you'll want to head to the very top where your account profile picture is. From there, select Manage Profiles about halfway down the menu. Once you're inside, click on the profile you want to check. If you have multiple profiles, for example, if you're trying to see what your kids have been watching, you can select their profile since you'll have access to all profiles on the account. Once inside, scroll down until you see Viewing Activity. Netflix provides the option to manage viewing history and ratings here. By clicking on Viewing Activity, you'll see a list of everything watched on this account. Here, you can scroll through all the viewed items, report a problem with something, or even hide specific shows and movies from the history if you want. Netflix also gives you the option to download all, which creates a CSV file of the complete watch history. And that's it. So that is how you can see Netflix viewing history. So that's all for this video. Thanks.